Hello again, everyone. This is Sean C. Harrison, Jamaican singer, songwriter, poet, general writer from my wonderful parish of St. Thomas, my community, Red Hill, Spain. This morning, I would like to sing for you a song that was made famous and sung by Mr. Ray Charles, I believe, first. That is entitled A Song for You, and a song which too has been covered by so many other artists, I believe because of its sheer melodic beauty and the powerful message that it carries. I do hope that as you listen, you will be inspired, and that you will enjoy, and that you will share, and that it will brighten your day as you think of that special one or those special ones who have been there to lift you up and to carry you in the times when you couldn't carry on. You know, sometimes I speak about how medications cause my voice to be compromised, my singing voice. But my voice has cleared a little this morning, so that is why I'm taking advantage. I do hope that you will enjoy as I sing and share with others. I've been so many places in my life and time. I've sung a lot of songs, and I made some bad rhymes. I've acted out my life on stages with 10,000 people watching. Now we're alone, and I'm just singing this song for you. I know your image of me is what I hope to be. I treated you unkindly, darling, can't you see? There's no one more important to me, baby, can't you see right through me? Now we're alone, and I'm just singing this song for you. I love you in a place where there's no space or time. Oh, I love you for my life, and you're a friend of mine. And when my life is over, remember when we were together. Now we're alone, and I'm just singing this song for you. Said I love you in a place where there's no space or time, no space or time. I love you for my life, and you're a friend of mine. And when my life is over, remember when we were together. We were alone, and I was singing this song for you. Singing, we were alone, and I was singing this song for you, you. We were alone, and I was singing this song. Yeah, I was singing this song for you. Oh, we were alone, and I was singing this song for you. Thank you.